Okay, guys, check it out. Just running the air pump, little Timu air pump through the water to dechlorinate it. We have really brackish water out here in the Karoo, so got to dechlorinate. And all of my seedlings, they're doing well. I've been running them under the Timu lights over here, just some veg lights, and seeing what they do with these. And this far, as I've positioned these lights, the seedlings aren't stretching to the side or something like that, except these over there. These were actually at the back here where the wind didn't get them, and it seems that they didn't strengthen enough in their stems, so they're just falling over each other. So I turned this whole thing around so that I can get some wind from these little fans that I'm running. Over here there's a 12-volt power supply, and it's running two little PC fans. This little jet fan is a little bit heavy, but I'm letting it blow over these girls or boys. I don't know what these are. These are mixed bag seeds, meaning they are not feminized. Over here it's my OB running, but there's only two of those coming out, which I didn't think would be possible. And over here I have some sour diesel. All of these came out. I think that there's 3, maybe 4 that didn't pop. Over here as well, 1 or 2 that didn't make it. But yeah. Oh, and this little one over here, that's a Northern Lights. Northern Lights over here, the only one. Don't know if it's gonna be male or not. We hope not. Hoping for all female seeds this time around. Just gonna give these girls a little bit of water. Now, these have been forming their other leaves already, so I'm getting ready to actually wanting to plant some of these out, or maybe wait a little bit more. I mean, how long am I supposed to wait? When do you start transplanting your seeds? I'm waiting now so that they can form a few more leaves, because every time I put seedlings like this outside, the pests get to them. So rather than risk it again, the previous 2 batches I've lost because I put them out too early, and then a lot of birds got to it, some slugs and all that. So now I'm running this in the little aquarium setup, Timu lights, air circulation and all that, in that little corner. Got some worms in here making worm castings. And this is also what I use for my microbial activity in the compost tea. That's all good. These are the only ones left from the previous, but I'm not really worried about them. I actually take some time and let them survive or something like that. I also got these little temperature gauges for humidity control. So when it's high, I open up this little tank and aerate these girls a bit, and then afterwards I close them again. Reason being, we have very low humidity out here in the Karoo, so yeah. And I don't have no humidifier. I actually want to make a humidifier at some point. I could buy a cheap one, I guess, and pop it in here, but rather than that, I would like to see if I can make a DC humidifier myself, same like with the fans. Basically cheap way of doing it. Later on I'll get the proper one, but for now I'm just going to go with this because it's cheap and you can repurpose it. But this is the jungle starting to grow. I'm going to give these well, dechlorinated water. I think one of my problems that I've also had was that I did not dechlorinate the water, and yeah. But yeah, this usually I just water all of this, and then I take this out when everything has filled, when all the cubes are filled, and then I drain excess water. That's basically one way of doing it. But anyway, that's my day. Yesterday was a holiday, so today is my new Monday. Welcome to Tuesday.